Hi, it's Rich to the rescue. We got a nice straight edge here on this fence. 96 feet of this fence with one post replaced. This is quoted at $5,000. They put their pickets right over the 4x4s. Not the straightest edge. And this is what it was supposed to match up to like. Oh, hey, look, there's an exposed post. So yeah, the backyard here, this is for a family member. They quoted one post. I think I replaced 3. It's at their request, but saved them a couple $1,000. Still got one post cementing.